What up, YouTube? HTX is back. Picked up 3 tickets today. One, $10 Explosión de Dinero, and two, one of the newest tickets that we have in Texas, Strike It Rich. And see how we do. Give me just a quick second. Let me get my millionaire book scratching, scratching tool. We're gonna be scratching with that today. Maybe we get some luck and hit a big one. I picked up ticket number 31 and 32. Let's see how we do. Alright, so let's zoom in. The rules, it's you gotta match 3 symbols to win that prize. You get a 7, it's in any game you win double the prize. 2 7s is 5 times, 3 7s is 10 times the prize. Let's see if we can pull a winner on this session. Let's see if we can win 50 bucks. Nope. Okay, number 2. 15. Nope. How about okay, number 3? How about 20? No dice. Ooh, 100,000. That'll be really nice. But nope. How about 5? And there's a 7. That means it's double the price. That's 10 bucks. Alright. And now I think we can win 1,010. Alright, the last game. 100 bucks. Nope. But so far, we found a 7 for $10. Let's see ticket number 32. It's a winner. Let's find out. Game number 1, 100,000. That'll be lovely, especially on camera. But nope. Game number 2. I don't think there's a $250 prize unless there is no 250 unless it's a 7. They need to make a double for 500. All right. 5 bucks. No. How about 10 bucks? Nope. Let's try game number 5. Ooh, 1,000 would be nice. But nope. Okay, number 6, $100. Nope. And 500. Can we do 500? No. Alright, so let's check the $10 Expresión de Dinero. Right on top, we're looking to match 2 like symbols to win that prize. And at the bottom, which is the standard match and win, looking to match the winning numbers to your numbers, or find the 5x or a 10x symbol to multiply your winnings. So let's see how we do on ticket number 38. Odds on this ticket are 1 in 3.64. Let's see if we can pull a winner. Let's start with the bonus box on top. We got a pot of gold and a club. All right. Lemon and anchor. Nope. We got apple and a gold bar. That is not going to cut it. All right, standard match and win. 5x and a 10x. So let's see, take a look at the winning numbers. Oh, dreaded 50. 31, 50, 37, 22, and 9. Let's hope we can find a multiplier. 25, 30, 18, and 41. Nothing yet. 15, 29, 33, 36, and 23. Nope. 35, 24, 32, 47, and 4. Last row. Dreaded 40, 39, 19, 27, and 28. Well, we busted on this ticket, but we did pull a $10 win. on ticket number 31. All right, I might go back and chase on that Explosión de Dinero. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It'll be right in this corner. And thanks so much for your support. Thanks for watching.